Ever wondered how businesses make smart decisions using data? Imagine you have a store and you want to know which products are selling the best. You start looking at your sales data. That is data analysis. It helps you understand what's happening right now, like which products are popular or what times are busier. Now, imagine you want to predict what will sell next month or during holidays. That is data analytics. It takes your analysis and turns it into insights for the future, like how much stock to order in advance. That's the difference. Data analysis helps you understand the present, data analytics helps you predict the future. Follow for more simplified data concepts.